Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to GF Machining Solutions. My name is Edward Schick, and first of all I would like to thank you that you could find the time to join our presentation. Today I will present you our new HMI, UNIQUA, and this unique interface is currently available for our wire machines. More or less since 2 years we are working really close together with our customers to develop a unique solution for our future and today. Also in the future, this interface will be available for our die sinking machines, and thanks to the possibilities which we get with UNIQUA, we are also open for the future for new technologies or the current technologies to implement them also with the new interface. With UNIQUA, you have two different ways of working. One of them is the more or less all over the world knowing ISO structured programming way. I mean, I don't have to explain you what it is. It means the G code is everywhere known, G0, G1, you know, in the past we were in front of the control, even today sometimes, and writing down the code of the program. With UNIQUA you have not only this possibility, now you have also the possibility to use the dynamic job management. Both ways will go to your target to produce parts, but with UNIQUA you have also a lot of benefits of a new developed HMI. As I told before, from the beginning of the development we were really close to our customers because we have the same targets more or less, yeah? The same challenge which we have to face every day, and because of that from the beginning we implement customers to have the feedback of them to create and develop the best HMI which will fit to your needs. It was also crystal clear from the beginning that this HMI has to be easy to use, but at the other hand side give you the best or the top flexibility and the best productivity. What does it mean? I would like to present you on a prepared example the single points. One of them is easy to use, and for this, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to please you to follow me to the control. Here, if you start up your machine, as you are used from your PC, you came on the start screen, let's say desktop. Yeah, there you get a quick overview what's going on currently on your machine. Maybe you have from the weekend still an execution or whatever. So here, as you can see, you get different small informations about the current status of the machine. What is also nice, what we implemented, is the possibility to create different kind of users. That means you can give rights to different employees to avoid any, how to say, yeah. As in the IT usual, you give different rights to different people. There's also a second page. If we go on the GF logo, then you can also see a workspace. This workspace can be customized by each operator. That means also if an operator is logged in to the HMI, it automatically changes the view to the customized view of the operator. Here you will find, for example, customized strategies and also our apps. Currently we have the ISPS viewer, but in the future they will follow much more apps. What is also possible, for example, you can create shortcuts, for example, to the calculator or to the notepad to use them in a really quick way. The control you can use with the keyboard, but also with the mouse, and today, yes, also with touchscreen. Target was also easy to use, to have like a mobile device from today or something. It's innovative, so if you understand once how it works, it's totally simple. It's like a sentence you read from left to right, and this is also how you proceed if you have a job. First of all, you have your job management system where you can find all your different kind of jobs. In case of that, you have to prepare it. The control is also giving you the possibility to make small preparations on the control, but also you can create programs as usual. After that, you go to the manual mode. There you have the possibility to set up your machine with your parts, get the reference, and so on. Afterwards, you send it into the execution mode. There you get the possibility to have the last check if everything is all right, press the green button and finish your job. All other things like maintenance, service, and different parameters you can set up here. I was talking about two ways of working. Let me demonstrate this also to you. In the management, we prepared an example with the ISO structured way. So if I send this to the preparation or execution mode, you will see that the machine automatically adjusts the view for the ISO way of working. And as I mentioned before, you can see the standard G code inside here, and also the possibility to make here small changes if necessary. After we finished everything, we can go and directly send this job to the preparation mode, execution mode, and also here you can see the machine show you the ISO way of working. The next example show you the other way. This is, for example, here we have one piece. It's the dynamic way of working. And now you will see also here the dedicated view for this kind of working way. The machine also recognizes it's a dynamic job way to work. Therefore, the view looks a little bit different, but also here we have the flexibility, and for the operator it's very easy because for him it doesn't matter in which way he is working, the control will translate it and give the possibilities of UNIQUA to make changes in case of need. Another point, ladies and gentlemen, was the flexibility. For this, we also prepared a small example, which I would like to present you also live on the control. What does it mean, flexibility? As you could see before, we are able to handle two different ways of working. This gives you a top flexibility, but also if you have different kind of jobs, like we prepared here in this example. We have one part here, and if I want to add an additional part, I can simply select the second one, send both of them in the execution mode. And as you can see, I already have both jobs included. And in the best case, if everything is prepared well, I can press start and the machine starts to work. Here I would like also to show you during the simulation that we give the operator visual feedback about the current status in a very easy and simple way. As you can see here, this is current. Blue means it's ongoing, and green, I think I don't have to explain it, it's done. And this gives also the operator really fast overview about the ongoing things on the machine. In case of that we have an urgent request from a customer, we could also add a new piece during the machining without stopping or creating a new program or whatever. I will show you this example. Also, in case of that we have a third part, for example this one, we can easily add it to the current batch or to the current job. We just have to select this button, and as you can see, now the machine is automatically including the new job into the current batch. That's just a quick overview about the flexibility. I think if you think a little bit about this, you will find also for your workshop the benefits of flexibility. The next point is best productivity. Also here, I would like to present you what we understand with this. So let me start a new job. So for example, we have also here 2 jobs which we want to do. So I create again a batch, send it in execution mode, and then we are ready to start. What you can see right now here is the next intervention time would be now 14 hours. That means the machine is running without any intervention of the operator for 14 hours. This could be the case if it's 7 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, so because the target is that the machine will run without operator over the night. On the next morning, the intervention from the operator is needed, for example, to remove slugs or anything else. And therefore, you can use this. But what is if you want to start the job in the morning at 7 o'clock? So that means you would need the intervention of the operator as soon as possible, because after 14 hours he will not be anymore in the factory. So what does it mean? Here also really simple and easy. You go and change the strategy. For example, early minimum threading. And as we can see now, the time changed to 20 minutes. That means I need the operator in 20 minutes to remove the slug, for example. After I removed all the slugs, then the machine will run overnight again. Ladies and gentlemen, I know this was quite a lot of input, but I would like to summary all of this. So easy to use, as you could see. We have interactive help always available. Handling like a mobile device. Intuitive working flow, low learning curve, and all of this makes the life of the operator simpler and easier. Another key point is the top flexibility. What does it mean? Adapting your way of working, possibilities to change the programs on board, workshop management just in time. Best productivity. increase your productivity time, decide at any time your priorities, get the best out of your machine. At the moment, that's it from my side. I would please you to give me some minutes to be able to change the location for our question and answer round. Thank you very much till now for your attention. See you soon.